Welcome back, dear children. Today we are going to study grammar part, lesson, adjectives, degrees of comparison. In our previous class, we already learned about adjectives. We know an adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Example, Sita is a clever girl. We know here clever is an adjective. This adjective qualifies the noun girl. Sita. Okay. Here we have a strong boy named Ricky. What kind of a boy is Ricky? Ricky is a strong boy. And we know that here strong is an adjective. Now let's read this sentence. Jimmy is stronger than Ricky. Now let's read the next sentence. Lucky is the strongest of the three. Here the words strong, stronger and strongest are adjectives. When we say Ricky is a strong boy, we do not compare him with any other boy. But when we say Jimmy is stronger than Ricky, we compare two boys, Ricky and Jimmy. And when we say Lucky is the strongest of the three, we compare more than two boys. Who are they? Yes, Ricky, Jimmy and Lucky. Here adjectives change from strong, stronger, strongest to show comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. They are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. And here the adjective strong is said to be in the positive degree. The positive degree of an adjective shows the existence of a certain quality. It is the original form of the adjective. In this sentence, the adjective stronger is said to be in the comparative degree. That means the comparative degree of an adjective shows the higher degree of the quality. It is used when two things or persons are to be compared. And we use than with the comparative degree of an adjective. Here, the adjective strongest is said to be in the superlative degree. The superlative degree of an adjective shows the highest degree of the quality. It is used when more than two things or persons are compared. Listen, children. It is used when which one superlative degree is used when more than two things or persons are compared. In superlative degree, we use the with the superlative degree of an adjective. Children, just now I told there are 3 degrees of comparison. Now look at these words. Here, which word is or which adjective is said to be in the positive degree here? Yes, here fast is positive degree. And which is comparative degree here? Yes, here faster is comparative degree. Then fastest is the superlative degree. Now we are going to see about formation of the degrees of adjectives. We know most adjectives form their comparative degree by adding er. Example, strong plus er. Here strong is positive, and when we add er after this positive word, we will get stronger. Let's check the another example. Thick in comparative degree, thicker. And their superlative degree by adding est to the positive. Then we will get strong plus est, strongest, thick plus est, thickest. Second one, if the positive ends in e, we add only r and st. Example, wise, wiser, wisest. Large, larger, largest. Listen children, here positive ends in e. Then we add only r in comparative degree. Wise became wiser, and in superlative we add only st. Then wisest, largest. If the positive ends in y and y has a consonant immediately before it, the y is changed into I before adding er and est. Example, easy, easier, easiest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Next one, if the positive is a word of one syllable, ends in a single consonant and has a short vowel before it, the consonant is doubled before adding er and est. Examples, big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Children, we know here consonants are G and T and vowels are A, I, O. Next one is many adjectives of two syllables and all adjectives of more than two syllables form their comparative by using more before the positive and their superlative by using most before the positive. Examples, active, more active, most active. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Important, more important, and most important. Some adjectives have irregular comparisons. That is, they do not follow any of the rules. Such kind of degrees of adjectives are bad, worse, worse, good, better, best. Okay children, see you tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.